All right, welcome back to We Tried It. The sun is about to set over there. I usually work on these videos after the kids go to bed or on the weekend, and so if I'm outside, there's a good chance the mosquitoes are gonna get me. I'm about to put together some e-bikes, and so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try this bad boy out. This is the THERMACELL Mosquito Repellent. It's battery charged. I love what it says. It says, mosquitoes give us 0 stars, and we're good with that. Do I give it 5 stars? 1 star, 2 star? Keep on watching our honest review to find out more. All right, now let's set up this bad boy. I do not know what I'm doing, which I like. I think it makes it for a little bit more of an interesting review for you. I did expect it to be bigger. It's not really very big at all, so let's try this out here. No spray, heat activated repellent. Mosquito protection just got smarter. I just feel like I'm feeling mosquitoes because of course it's in like the usual Costco packaging, which is impossible to open. I am getting eaten here. So one cool thing I can show you here is it does use like a just regular standard USB. So they give you a brand new one with just the right voltage, but you could also use the charger, which is awesome. So you could just really easy use it. You have a battery, not a charger. Plug in and let's try this bad boy up, see how it goes. Which I did wrong. So you take this part here, that part comes out. Then you put it in here like so. Boop, 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 boop. Beautiful. They put the cap on. Like that. Awesome. So I did have to plug it in. Once again, you plug it in here. Here's a little cap for it. And I plugged it in and it got it going. And it was actually fully charged when I got it, which is awesome. So got that placed in here. It says it could be about 15 minutes for you to see results of it. So I'm just going to set it out here. It says push the power button on. Take 15 minutes for the zone to fully establish. Hold it off by turning it down. Repellent is best placed in the center of the design zone. I'm gonna put it over here because I'm gonna be working around on these bikes. Let's give it a shot. I don't smell anything. It's pretty cool so far. Let's see if it works. And here it is, just doing its thing outside my garage here. So far so good. You can't smell anything, can't hear anything. Let's see how it goes. To be honest with you, I've been out here now for almost 2 full hours, and guess how many bug bites I've gotten? 0. That is true. This little guy, look how small it is, like barely the size of my hand. Sorry for the low light, but it's getting dark out here. This little guy has basically covered me. Look how small it is. I've been kind of going throughout my garage and out there, touching on some bikes. See, the sun is now set. This little guy has been a lifesaver, honestly. I hate mosquitoes. It's actually a big reason why I'm not usually out at night working on stuff, because I hate being eaten up by mosquitoes. This is super easy. This has like a 50-hour refill for the actual stuff inside of it, so you do have to buy new refill to put in there. You don't smell anything, doesn't make any noise, and that light just tells you that it's working, and that's all there is to it. Like literally, that's it. It's got like a 6 or 7 hour battery for the actual device, and then you have to replace it based on how much stuff is actually inside. So I think technically it comes with really easy to understand instructions too here, but it has refills that you can put on there. It has about 3+ hours for the battery, and the refills just last different times based on how much you buy and how much you put in there. It says it does take about 15 minutes for the zone to fully establish. It says it is about a 20-foot zone, which is pretty close to probably what I had. I did feel a couple mosquitoes at the very beginning, but here 2 hours later, this thing still shows a 3+ hour battery left, and it's like $50. And the best thing is, if you want to go take it somewhere else, you just pick it up. There you go. That's it. That's literally how easy it is. But do you have any questions or comments about this THERMACELL Mosquito Repellent? I'm freaking in love, man. I know mosquitoes are gonna hate this, but I love it. Please let us know in the comments below, and I hope to see you again real soon.